Viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram incorrect username not available. So here I was taking a random username. So I was typing user 123 for some letters, and here I was clicking on one random password, and here I was clicking on login. So it was saying incorrect username. So here I was clicking on get help login in. So it was loading, wait for a few seconds. So here it was asking the my username or email ID. Here I was giving my email ID and I was clicking on next option. I was, I was clicking on next option 098 and then I was clicking on next option. So here it was sent a code to me. After giving the code, it was given my username. So I was typing my password. I was clicking on login. It was saying try again, and again I was clicking on get help login in. Here I was clicking on next option. So my account was login. Thank you.